Hello everyone, today we are going to create Arcane style background using Blender and Photoshop. This is a scene I created before, so you can see all the objects in 3D space. If you look closer you can also see all of the elements in the scene or images. For example, this is the ground of the scene. This was created using a digital painted image. Every other part's also created the same way. So, now I will create new scene, then you will understand it easily. First enable image as plain add-on. Import the painted images. Let's add a ground plane. Add subdivision modifier, apply the modifier. Then go to the sculpt mode and do a little bit of sculpting like this. Also don't forget to change material settings, specular to 0, and roughness to 100. This way you don't get any shine from the lights. Now import all other images and create the scene. In the end we will add a dry image. I also use one spotlight, but you can use more as you wish. I think our scene is finished. But instead of using 2D images for all of the parts, you can use 3D elements. I didn't use it here, but if you use you can definitely improve the quality and get much better result. Also, I don't think this was mentioned in YouTube Blender tutorials before. So hope you enjoy on this tutorial. See you in next video.